Hello there, YouTube. So as you can see here, I have the E-machine that I got a while back, and basically what I did to this is I gutted it out, and all the parts are right there, and I put the parts from that one into here. So as you could see, it's all done. The only problem I had with this was the power supply, because this computer took a smaller power supply, so I had to actually cut up a lot of the metal, which kind of ruined it a bit and made it look bad, but most of the damage is on the inside. But if I wanted to put the old parts back in, the old power supply would fit in just fine. I just had to make room for this, so we'll take a look at the inside of here. As long as I can get this off. Put this down here. So basically the power supply is duct taped into the case, which I'm not too thrilled about doing that, but I didn't drill holes in for the screws. And inside is all the parts. The motherboard fit in just fine, and it helped that the computer had an I/O shield, so all I had to do was just knock out the old one and put in the one for this motherboard, and it fit in just fine. This is the cable for the USB and the game joystick controller in the front. And this is actually the power switch for the old motherboard, but I got it to turn the computer on by plugging it in like this, so that worked pretty well. The optical drive and floppy drive are not plugged in, so that means if I need to install something onto the drive, I have to probably take it out and put it into another computer, or just use an external optical drive, which sounds like a better idea. And I feel like there's a lot more room in this case than there is in this case, even though that case is bigger. The problem with the other cases, they had the drive bays like going up this way, so there wasn't a lot of room to work with the cables, whereas there was a lot more room here. And that's kind of what I did. I still do plan on to put more RAM in here and put in a graphics card, just because eventually I will use this at some point, because this board, like I said in the last video, doesn't have accelerated graphics, so you have to use a graphics card. And there's 4 gigs of RAM in there. Yeah, so I don't really have much else to say other than this basically was a success. This is the first like real sleeper PC that I've put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. That's going to be it for this video, and see you later.